Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to schedule dark mode on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want your cell phone battery to be last longer and be more durable without having to charge it as often as possible, there is one way, that is scheduling your dark mode, which means that when your cell phone is not in use, your cell phone will change to dark mode. Just like at night, when your cell phone is not in use, the cell phone will go into dark mode. And how to schedule the dark mode is very easy, so yeah, let's check it out, the tutorial. Okay, the first thing first, now you can go to settings menu, and then now you can scroll down, and now you can go to display. After that, now you can go to dark mode settings and you can turn on schedule dark mode. And then here you can choose either the sunset to sunrise. So when the night has come, your cell phone will turn to dark mode, or you can customize your schedule of dark mode. And then if you're finished, now you can click done. So yeah, here's the tutorial on how to schedule the dark mode on your phone. Okay guys, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.